Hi children, today let us discuss Vidooram worksheet 5 of class 7 mathematics. The first question is, write the measurement of the angles given below. Here PQ is parallel to RS and what is the measure of angle RPQ? It is given that angle PRS is equal to 65 degree. Now, what type of angles are these two? These are co-interior angles. Do you remember that color paper activity we have done before? Yes, we have cut these two pieces and joined together and so that sum of the angles is 180 degree. These two angles are just like the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. To bear in mind only, I have cut and paste this here. You need not do like this in your notebook. Okay. So what is the measurement of that angle? 115 degree. 180 minus 65 is equal to 115 degree. Reason, co-interior angles are supplementary in parallel lines. The next question is similar question. Yes, AC is parallel to BD and this angle is 70 degree. Angle CAB is 70 degree. What is the measurement of angle ABD? Similar question. So answer is very easy for you, isn't it? 70 degree and 110 degree. 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. So co-interior angles are supplementary in parallel lines. You have to write the reason also. And in this question, see, you have seen this figure 1 to 8 angles. What type of angles are these? Interior angles at the other side of the transversal. What is the name? Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal in parallel lines. So what would be the measurement of this angle? Angle MYX. This angle is MYX is 45 degree. Same. Alternate angles are equal in parallel lines. Now activity 3. In the given figures, parallel lines are cut by transversal. By a transversal, another line. Transversal means another line. Cutting the parallel lines. And the measure of sum of the angles formed are given. Find the measure of the other angles. Here question marks are there. Give reason. Here MN and XY are the parallel lines and there are two transversals here, one MX and MC. When you are doing such problems, remember at one time you have to take only one transversal. So let us, before answering these two, let us see the question once again. Take this as the transversal and the transversal makes angle 50 degree with this parallel line and the angle formed by the transversal with the line MN is this large angle. This line, transversal, this line and here this MN. Okay. So this large angle is the angle formed by the transversal and the parallel line. So what type of angles are these? This large angle and this angle here, that is 60 plus 70 130 degree and here 50 degree. The sum is 180 degree. Similarly, here we have to take this MN and XY and take this as the transversal, MC as the transversal. So which are the co-interior angles? Co-interior angles. These are the co-interior angles, supplementary angles. So this angle is 70 degree. So what would be the measure of this angle? That angle is 180 minus 70. That is 110 degree. Now one more angle we have to find it out. This angle. You have studied earlier. What is it? Linear pair. So what is the measurement of that angle? 70 degree. Co-interior angles are supplementary, that first answer. Then second one, interior angles 70, not interior angle, linear pairs 70 degree. Linear pairs 70 degree. And here, this year we have studied this M and XY. You have seen that 1 to 8 angles, isn't it? So in that itself, in here also, what type of angles here? Parallel lines. This transversal, alternate interior angles are equal in parallel lines. So the answer is, the reason you can write in two ways, either as linear pair or as alternate angles. Anyway, the measurement is 70 degree. And before going to the next question, one more thing we have to bear in mind. Okay, here these three are the angles in a triangle. What is the sum of these angles? 50 plus 60, 110. That 110 would be here, would be the exterior angle, okay, of the third angle. Sum of these two angles equal to the exterior angle of the third angle, and the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. In any triangle, sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. That you have to bear it in mind. Okay, that you will learn later. Now itself you may learn. Okay, the next question is, let us draw one more figure. Okay, then in this figure, first we have to find it out, angle ABY. ABY. Here parallel lines AX and BY. In the other figure we have seen this large angle is the co-interior angle of this angle. So 40 plus 140 will give 180 degrees. So this angle is 140 degree. That we may write here, 140 degree. And now the next question is angle YBC. YBC. YBC, this total angle is 140 and this much is 55. So YBC is equal to, YBC is equal to, yes, 85. 140 minus 55 is equal to 85. Reason, angle AABY is equal to 140 degree. ABC is equal to 55 degree. So, it is 85 degree. Now, we have to see the measure of this angle. We have just seen in the last problem. BY and AX are parallel lines, and take this as the transversal. Don't look at here. Okay. We have to take this parallel lines and this transversal only here. So, which are the co-interior angles? Co-interior angles are supplementary. So, 180 minus 85 is equal to 95 degree. Co-interior angles are supplementary. The name of the angle is angle BCX. The next one we have to see angle BCA. BCA, we have just seen now itself. What is it? Either as linear pair or as, this is more easy. 85 and 85. Alternate interior angles are equal in parallel lines. So that angle is 85 degree. So that is the answers to this question, and we can see this also here also. 40 plus 55 is equal to sum of two interior angles is equal to the exterior angle of the third one, and the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Bear it in mind. Okay, thank you.